getting the fuel drain out of the Studebaker. It's old. I think it was solid form. What says you? You can smell it. Oh boy, that's old. Beautiful car though. It's a 1953 Studebaker Champion, and it's above our pay grade, I guess, to figure out how to open the trunk. Alright, you got a deal here where you gotta pull that down. You put your key in, just so. And somehow you're supposed to turn this latch here. That opened the trunk, but it's fighting tooth and toe now. This is a show car that has been in storage for 15 years. And we're getting the brakes cleaned out, redoing those, and she runs okay, but you can tell this gas is just extremely old. It's a beautiful root beer color. We're still at a single master cylinder, so we had to pull the carpet up and get to the master cylinder to check everything. We got the back seats out cleaning. What a beautiful car though. She's a completely original, aside from the obvious. If you can see that, she's still a 6-volt. We're going to convert it over to 12. She's quite a looker. She's dirty. She's got dust setting on her. We're going to give it a clean down and a nice polish. And then, Lord willing, Saturday we're going to run it back to Tupelo. And the bottom side is just immaculate. But, you know, doesn't matter how nice they are if you just leave them setting up. They're going to go down. They need driving. They're meant to be driven. Thought it was worth a video. Cool. We got to fill this one up. I hope there's not a lot in it. That is rancid. We got a couple buckets. I don't know what we're going to do with this. I guess dispose of it in the appropriate way. She's still peeing. All right, good enough. We'll make 3 minutes out of it. Thank y'all for watching.